Topic of today is drug abuse amongst youth. We today live in a world that is literally blanketed with problems and problems, be it global terrorism to the global warming. And all these problems have been caused by us and unfortunately are affecting us too. And one such can of worms is drug abuse, especially amongst the youth. So the question arises is that what is actually drug abuse? Drug abuse is the excessive intake of drugs that are addictive and in most cases are also illegal, that results in adverse health as well as social consequences. And unfortunately, the youth, that is the people who come in the age bracket of 15 to 25 or up till 29, that is the backbone of a nation, and the progress of every country lies in their hands. Unfortunately, such an important asset is falling prey to the problem that is drug abuse. So the question arises is that, what's wrong with drug abuse and how is the youth at the risk of drug abuse? And drug abuse can lead to injuries, it can lead to you having accidents, फिर आपको एंटी सोशल प्रॉब्लम्स होने लग जाते हैं, अम्मी अबू से लड़ रहे हो, आप अपने कन्फाइंड कंपनी दूर सबसे दूर रहने लग गए हो, फिर मोर ओवर एंड मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंटली it causes chronic diseases that are long lasting diseases and as well as mortal diseases that result in your death, like lung cancers, liver damages, strokes, heart strokes and other heart diseases. And as well as this drug abuse negatively affects your brain development, and you have problems like memory problems, etc., etc. Another question that arises is that why is drug abuse today a bigger and a growing problem when people have been doing drugs for centuries and it is such an old practice? So the answer is that the drugs today are more intense and are more effective, and hence they are more harmful, so the problems created by them are also more. But the most important question that at least I used to ask myself a few years ago too, see, we all have been through schools and colleges. I am in college, but most of you have been through colleges. और हम हर साल अपने साइंस बुक्स में पढ़ते थे कि सिगरेट बुरी चीज़ है, और जनरली वैसे भी सबको पता है जो कैंपेन्स होती हैं, मीडिया होता है कि ड्रग्स आर अ बिग नो. लेकिन फिर भी इलिटरेट को तो छोड़ो, लिटरेट पीपल वी सी, हम कैफेज जाते हैं तो वी सी मेनली गाइज हैविंग शीशा. हम अपने आप इर्द गिर्द में स्कूल में देखते हैं, वी सी पीपल स्मोकिंग, ठीक है, हम लोगों को देखते हैं दे आर डूइंग ड्रग्स, वी सी पीपल ड्रिंकिंग excessive amounts of alcohol.
My name is Kuratulin Sabur. I am from CPE and I am a candidate of CFA Level 1. And my topic today is drug abuse among youth. The number of people abusing drugs have surpassed those in any other time in history. And among these, the majority is youngsters. There are three issues. I'll answer this topic in three questions. Number one question is, what stats tell us about drug addicts? Second question is, why do young people use drugs? Third question is, what should be done by society as a whole to get rid of this nuisance? The stats revealed that drug use by youth has increased drastically in Pakistan. In 1980, there were 50,000 drug addicts, and now, in 2012, recently, they have soared to 8.1 million. That's a huge increase. 2 million of these addicts are between the ages of 15 and 24 years. It is a cause of great concern that 60% of these drug addicts are from educated class, like university and school students. According to National Survey of Drug Abuse, hashish is the most common drug used in Pakistan. The head of community medicine at CMH Lahore Medical College, Dr. Muhammad Ashraf, said that factors that lead to drug abuse are risk-taking behaviors that may involve experimenting with narcotics, alcohol, and smoking. Social isolation can be another reason, then stress, anxiety, depression, peer pressure, modern lifestyle, hippie culture, unemployment, and excessive pocket money by parents and lack of supervision and attention. the desire for social acceptance, boredom, curiosity, just to feel good, weak religious belief, and lot of free time at their disposal. Easy access to drugs at low prices. For this reason, even के जो low class लोग होते हैं उनको भी बहुत easy access है, क्योंकि खाने पीने से ज़्यादा खाने के पीने की चीज़ों की कीमत बढ़ गई है, basic needs की कीमत बढ़ गई है, और ड्रग्स की जिनको इलीगल होनी चाहिए थी, जो आउट ऑफ एक्सेस होनी चाहिए थी, उनकी प्राइस बहुत लो है. एग्जिस्टेंस एंड प्रेजेंस ऑफ ड्रग डेंस, ड्रग माफियाज इतनी बढ़ गई हैं, एंड बेसिकली दिस इज बिकॉज ऑफ कैपिटलिस्ट बिहेवियर. वी वांट टू इंक्रीज आवर प्रॉफिट एज मच एज वी कैन, सो फॉर दैट वी गो टू एनी एक्सटेंट. We don't care if anybody is dying because of our products, and they're doing this even if we have made it illegal, but alcohol is the only product that is illegal. It is sold and advertised everywhere. To overcome frustration and tragedies, like for मतलब पेरेंट्स के पास इतना टाइम नहीं है, वर्किंग वुमेन है आजकल, तो वो अपने बच्चों को इतना टाइम नहीं दे सकते, वो बड़े हो रहे हैं, उनकी इमोशनल चेंजेस आ रही हैं, and they don't have anyone to talk about these.
Thank you very much, dear respected judges, dear audience. I'm Numan Ishwaq Mughal from NUST. Today it's my pleasure to be here in front of you to deliver on this important topic, drug abuse among youth. Boss, we know that youth are the important part of our society, and our country Pakistan is lucky in this context that it's a large ratio of young ones in its population. But we are not utilizing our youth to the best of their potential. Our youth develop pessimism, they develop frustration, which leads them towards drugs. Sir, we are the part of this turbulent region where we are Afghanistan and our neighbor. So drug addiction in Pakistan is no less worrisome. Though our neighbor of the same problems, but we are worse affected. We are home to the largest market for heroin consumption. What's more, Pakistan is a major exporter of the heroin, and in fact, approximately 50 tons of fume is illegally brought into Pakistan to produce heroin. Sir, are we safer in this kind of environment? No, definitely no. Everyone among us is at a risk of drug exposure. We go to market, we can get drugs, but the question arises, which thing motivates us to take drugs? I talk to my fellows, I talk to my friends, I said them, why you take drugs? They told me that it is the motivation, it is the curiosity that motivates us to take drugs. And we do sort of experimentation and adventure. In this sort of society where taking drug is considered a sign of adolescence. Boss, you personally go and talk to those our fellows who are taking drugs. You notice that they have developed the sense of superiority from their rest of peers, by making the perception that they are more bold, rebel, independent, and initiative takers. In fact, these all are fake perceptions, because today's society is more the name of utilizing of the best time and to utilizing of the best time and to develop the creative approach in dealing with things. Those young ones who take drugs not only spoil their life, but also hurt the expectations of the people around them. They normally develop escapism rather than to face challenges, and escapism surely results in frustration. Drug addiction kill them morally, socially, psychologically, as well as physically. What should we do in this condition? Now it's the responsibility of our government, it's the responsibility of our societies to take a firmer view about preventing, stopping of drug addictions. There should be a community plan that should be implemented to stop addiction to drugs. It should have its long-term goals as well as short-term objectives which should be achieved to prevent drug addiction in our society. The problem of drug addiction is too real and serious to be ignored.